Today's topic is method of 2x2 game without saddle point. Previous class you have seen about the game with saddle point. Now here you're going to see game without saddle point. There are two methods in this. Today's first method we are going to see formula method. Consider a 2x2 game with the following payoff matrix for the player. A and A1, A2, B1, B2. This is A11, A12, A21, A22. This is general representation of the 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 is the order of matrix which have 2 rows and 2 columns. First row, second row. First column, second column. Now A11 is what? First row, first column. A12 is what? First row, second column. A21 is second row, first column. A22 is second row, second column. Now the optimum mixed strategies for the player A is P1, P2. For the player B is Q1, Q2. P1, P2, Q1, Q2 are the probabilities of the player A and player B. Now, to find P1, you use a formula A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A11 plus A21. And the P2 you find using a formula 1 minus P1. To find the value of Q1, A22 minus A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Now Q2 is equal to 1 minus Q1. The value of the gain is being found by using the formula V is equal to A11 A22 minus A12 A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Now you're going to the sum. Solve the game. Player A and this is player B. Player for player B, B1, B2. For player A, A1, A2. 2 minus 3 is 0, 3. So from this question we can understand it's a 2 cross 2 matrix and this is a game without saddle point. If you want to find the row minimum and column maximum and tell minimax is not equal to max min, and you can tell it is without saddle point. Now find the A11, A12, A21, A22. Notice A11 is the first row first column, A12 is the first row second column, A21 is second row first column, A22 is second row and second column. Now if you see here row minimum, the minimum value is minus 3 and here the minimum value is 0. Now column maximum. Column maximum, here maximum value is 2, here the maximum value is 3. Okay, so in minimum you have to see the maximum. So what is the maximum value? 0 is the maximum value. So we tell it as max mini. And here in the maximum you have to see the minimum value. So this is 2 is a minimum value. So we tell it as mini max. So if max mini and mini max not equal to, here max mini is what? 0. 0 is not equal to 2. We tell it as a game without saddle point. Now we'll see how to find this one. Step number 1, you have to find A11, A12, A21 and A22. So what is A11? See the first row, first column, the value is 2. The first row, second column, what is the value? A12 is minus 3. Then second row, first column, what's the value? 0. Second row, second column, what is the value? 3. Now step number 2. Find the probabilities for the player A. So P1 is equal to A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Now A22 what's the value? 3. So write it 3 minus, what is A21 value? 0. So write it 0. So 3 minus 0 will give you 3. Next, down denominator A11 2, A22 3. So 2 plus 3 will give you 5. Then A12 value is minus 3 and A21 value is 0. So minus 3 plus 0 will give you minus 3. Minus of minus 3 will give you plus. Minus into minus will give you plus. So 3 divided by 5 plus 3 will give you 3 by 8. So P2 is equal to 1 minus P1. So 1 minus 3 by 8. So multiply this one, 8. 8 minus 3 by 8 will give you 5 by 8. This is probability 2. Now we are going to find the probabilities for the player B. Q1 is equal to A22 minus A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21 equal to 3 minus of minus 3. A12 is minus 3 divided by 2 plus 3 minus of minus 3. For all the thing, denominators will be the same. So 5 minus of minus 3 will give you 5 plus 3, again it will give you 8. See the numerator, 3 minus of minus 3. So minus into minus, it will be a plus 3. So 3 plus 3 will give you 6. So 6 by 8. So what is Q2 is equal to 1 minus Q1. So 1 minus 6 by 8. Just cross multiply this one. 1 into 8. 8 minus 6 by 8 will give you 2 by 8. So this will be the probability Q2. Now we are going to find the value of the game. So the value of the game formula is A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Now 2 into 3. A11 is value is 2 and A11 value is 2, A22 value is 3. So it is 2 into 3 minus A12 value is minus 3, A21 value is 0. So this will give you minus 3 into 0. You have to multiply this one. So 2 into 3 will give you 6, minus 3 into 0 will give you 0. So 6 minus 0 divided by 2 plus 3 will give you 5, minus of minus 3 will give you 5 plus 3. So the value will be 6 by 8. So now what is the solution of the game? You have to write optimum strategy for the player A is 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. Then optimum strategy for the player B is 6 by 8 and 2 by 8. And the value of the game is 6 by 8. That is P1, P2, Q1, Q2 and the value of the game. So if you write all these things will give you the solution of the game. So before finding that it's a formula method, you have to find whether the game with saddle point or without saddle point. Thank you.